Hello there, my dear YouTube friends. In this video, we'll be looking at one of the Figma options and features, which is called Use as Mask. And this video will be particularly on how will one designer will be able to make use of this particular very useful yet very under rated feature. You can find it in Figma, and it is super useful for your next project. And I believe this is going to be your most valuable lesson you're gonna take from this particular video. So where is the particular use as mask tool can be accessed is basically you guys can have it right in the option. Once you click on any of an element, you get to have this particular list of options. For example, this is all the list of options where we usually get, and use as mask is just right here. Okay, so I will just be going through how to any designer can make use of this particular tool in detail. Okay, so as you can see here, this is an element, just a simple image element here. Okay, as you can see here, this is just a simple image. Yeah, this is just an image icon here. And how do I able to access this? I just went to flat icon and I just download one of the options. For example, just type star here, and just type star here, and then once we have a lot of stars here, so I just click this particular black colored star and then just place it right here. Okay, so let's get to the point. So how do I able to make use of that particular use as mask option? So first of all, as usual, you need to click on the right click here. For example, just right click like this, and then you'll be having something called as use as mask here. Okay, so just before let me start using this particular tool here, I would like to let you know, we all have encountered, like, let's say we have an icon here, but I would like to change the color of this particular icon. So there are many ways, but have you guys ever wondered why is there a better way to just to find another different icon with different color? So Figma will be able to help you in terms of that particular problem, to solve that particular problem. So how does a Figma able to solve this particular problem is by giving the access to making use as mask. So okay, let me just click on it and let's see what happens. So as you can see here, the mask has been made. So the mask here is just something transparent, but yet it just appears to be invisible, but it has its own mask. It's just hiding. So what you can do here, in order to get the element to be visible, you can go to this particular shape tool here. Let me just go here. As you can see, you can choose any of the shape, but it's as you can see, I would like to choose rectangle because it's the default. And of course, you need to make sure that you are having you have selected the image here. And what I do, just need to draw this particular shape here, just like this. And as you can see, the rectangle which I just created is above the mask here. Okay, which I don't want to have it to be on top of this mask tool. I want it to be inside of mask tool and above the image which we just created, the star image. Okay, so if you just place it right here, and boom, let's see what's going on here. As you can see here, the rectangle which we just created here, which is, as you can see, this is a square. You can just make it like this, is the one that gives the mask a opaque layer, a layer where it can be used as a basis to make it visible. So also, not just that, I can also change color of this particular icon just by making just going to the fill and just going to select any different color that you would like to have. So that's the whole point of this particular use as mask. So you can use it for any sort of icons, and not just icons, it can be any image or even any other elements. In case if you have a button, in case you have other widgets that you would like to have you have the color changed into a different color. And sometimes, yeah, image is the one that we don't actually have the access to change the color directly by just having this field here, but you must make sure that you are able to create this particular mask here. So that's the whole point of this particular video, and hope you guys have learned something from this tutorial and you will be able to make use of whatever you have learned, the lesson, in your next project, and you'll be having better experience in your next project as well. And thank you guys for watching this entire video till the end. So let's meet up in our next Figma 101 course. Thank you guys for watching again. Thanks.